This video will walk you through using the voice archetype page to preview our available voice talents. From the home dashboard, click the VT archetype button at the top of the page. Here you will find our entire roster of available voice talents. To hear samples, click the media icon to the left of the talent's headshot. Available samples will appear in the details panel. Click preview to listen. You can utilize the search field to find specific talents, or narrow your search using specific criteria such as gender, language, and geographic regions. Our roster of voice talents specializes in a wide variety of languages and regional dialects from around the world. We're confident we can find the right voice talents for your messages in any language you may need. Once you've decided which voice talents you'd like to use for your production, you can select them when submitting your new messaging request. If you'd like recommendations on talents for a specific style, or have any other questions regarding voice talents, send an email to scheduling@moodmedia.com, and a messaging specialist will happily assist. Thank you, and happy messaging.